Improvisation changes your life. It changes the way your brain operates, and so it can't help but change you. And when you're changed, your life changes around you.
The whole journey here so far has just helped me sort of get out of my mind into the body, just get easy with making mistakes, be a lot more spontaneous, and just be a lot more me. And when you're a lot more of yourself, you're actually the best version of yourself.
There's also such a sense of professionalism here, but also with a huge sense of camaraderie and looking after one another. There's just such a giving, generous sense of spirit here.
One of the main skills I think I've taken away from improv is that it's okay to fail. It's allowed me to be way more creative and confident. Everyone here is just so welcoming and inviting, and the energy here when you walk in, it just feels so positive and you don't want to leave.